Hi, I am Lopamudra Sen. Welcome back to my channel Electronic Science Tutorial. I already discussed about number system, basic gates implementation using discrete circuit components, De Morgan's law circuit implementation, and why NAND gate and NOR gate is called universal gate. Those who are not visit my channel, please follow my channel for clear understanding of your electronic science subject. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. सब्सक्राइब की बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके रखिए ताकि जब भी मैं कोई नई वीडियो लेकर आऊँ आपको पता चले। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। In today's lecture, we discuss about why NOR gate is called universal gate. Basically, in previous lecture we already discussed about it. In today's last session of this series, we discuss about why NOR gate is called universal gate and how by using NOR gates only we can design NAND gate circuit. So let's get started. In today's session, we discuss about why NOR gate is called universal gate, because NOR gate have the important properties we already know about it, that by using only NOR gates repeatedly one can get the logical functions of NAND gate. That's why NOR gate is called universal gate. Okay, so basically here we prove one universal gate to another universal gate. So next slide पे चलते हैं. Okay. So this is the NAND gate circuit implementation by using NOR gate chip only. Here we use 4 NOR gate. One is connected here, one is connected here and the other 2 is connected here. Okay, chip number is 7402. The 2 input of this NOR gate has been shorted and also this 2 input has also been shorted of this NOR gate. If this 2 input has been shorted, or when this 2 input has been shorted, this NOR gate chip act as an inverter circuit. Similarly, when this input pin has been shorted, this NOR gate is also act as an inverter circuit. So this is a inverter circuit using NOR gate and this is another inverter circuit using NOR gate. Okay. So this is input line and this is another input line. This input line is connected with switch 1 which is act as an input A line, and this input line is connected with switch 2 which is act as an input B. This input A and input B line is connected with the positive potential of the 5 volt DC power supply and the negative potential of the 5 volt DC power supply is connected with the ground terminal. The output of this 2 inverter circuit is now connected with this NOR gate chip, and from here what we get, that is A bar plus B bar whole bar. A bar plus B bar whole bar, if we split this expression by using De Morgan's theorem, what we get, A double bar dot B double bar. That means A dot B, which is the expression of AND gate. Okay. This AND gate expression or this output of this NOR gate is connected with this NOR chip. This NOR chip, the 2 input line has also been shorted, and from this input line the output of this NOR gate is connected. When this input line has been shorted of this NOR gate is also act as an inverter circuit. So AND gate, that is A dot B, which we get from here, this expression or this output is now passing through this inverter circuit. So from here what we get, that is A dot B bar. This is the NAND gate expression, NAND gate output expression. From here we get the LED display or output display by using LED. Positive potential of the LED is connected with this 330 ohm resistor with this output line, 330 ohm resistor is connected to protect this device, and the negative potential of this LED display is connected with the ground potential. So this is the circuit design of a NAND gate by using NOR chip only. Now we verify the truth table of the NAND gate from this circuit. Okay, so start करते हैं. First condition, that is input A is 0, switch 1 is open, input B is 0, switch 2 is also open. When this is 0, this is 0, this 0 is connected with this inverter circuit and this 0 is connected with this inverter circuit. So from here we get 1 and from here we get 1. So this 1 is connected here, and from here we get 0. 0 is connected with this inverter circuit. So LED is in. So from here we get 1 output, and thus we saw that the LED is in glowing condition or is in on condition. Okay, so this is the first condition of the truth table, that is the 0 0 condition. Next, when input A is 0, that means switch 1 is open, input B is 1, that means switch 2 is closed. So this is 0 line, this is 1 line, so from here we get 1 and from here we get 0. So this 1 and 0 is now connected here, and from here we get 0, and this 0 is passing through this NOR gate chip or this inverter chip. So from here we get 1 output, and thus the LED is in on condition. So this is the second row of the truth table and the second condition of the truth table. Third condition, when input A is 1, that means switch 1 is closed, input B is in 0, that means switch 2 is open condition. So this is 1, this is 0, so from here we get 0 because this is an inverter circuit, and from here we get 1 because this is an inverter circuit. So this 0 and 1 is connected with this inverter circuit, with this NOR gate chip, and from here this 0 output is passing through this inverter circuit, and from here we get 1 output, and this 1 output shows that the LED is in on condition. So this is the third condition of the truth table, 1 0 condition. Last condition, that is 1 1 condition. Input A is 1, switch 1 is closed, input B is 1, switch 2 is also closed. So these two switches are closed. So this is input 1 line and this is input 1 line. So from here we get 0. So from here we get 0, 0 dot 0. Here we get here 1. So this 1 is connected with this inverter circuit. So from here we get 0, and this 0 shows that the LED is in off condition. So this is the last condition of the truth table. So by using this circuit, we can easily verify the NAND gate truth table. So first we saw the design part of the NAND gate by using NOR chip only, and secondly we can easily verify the truth table of the NAND gate by using this circuit. So here we end today's session, and this series session is also end here. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. फिर मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो के साथ. Thank you.